Welcome to our kitchen. Looking for a quick and healthy salad recipe? You're in the right place. Today we're introducing a salad that's not just a feast for your palate, but also a powerhouse of nutrition. It's the perfect blend of crunch, sweetness, and tang that will leave you craving more. We're talking about a vibrant mix of salad greens, juicy fresh strawberries, creamy avocado, crunchy candied pecans or walnuts, and the tangy punch of feta cheese. It's all brought together with a drizzle of raspberry vinaigrette dressing that adds an extra layer of flavor to this delightful dish. This salad is not only quick and easy to put together, but it's also packed full of vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats. So, whether you're looking for a light lunch, a side dish for dinner, or a healthy snack, this salad has got you covered. Stay tuned to discover how to put together this refreshing and nutritious salad. Start with the right ingredients. They determine the taste and health benefits of your salad. Let's dive right in. First and foremost, the mixed salad greens. We're using a lively blend of spinach, arugula, and kale. The key here is to ensure they're thoroughly washed. Soak them in a bowl of cold water for a few minutes, then rinse under running water. A salad spinner is excellent for drying, or you can pat them dry gently with a clean kitchen towel. Next, we have the strawberries. Choose ripe, juicy strawberries for the best flavor. To prepare, simply remove the green caps and slice them. Not too thin, not too thick, just right. The strawberries not only add a sweet and tangy flavor to the salad, but they also give it a vibrant pop of color. Moving on to the avocado, make sure it's ripe but still firm to the touch. Slice it in half, remove the pit, then dice the flesh. Remember, avocado adds a creamy texture to the salad and is packed with healthy fats. Now, for a crunch factor, we're adding candied pecans or walnuts. You can easily find these in the store, or you can make your own by tossing the nuts in a little bit of melted butter and brown sugar, then roasting them until they're golden and crisp. And let's not forget the feta cheese. This tangy, salty cheese is the perfect counterbalance to the sweet strawberries and candied nuts. Simply crumble it up and set it aside. Lastly, we have the raspberry vinaigrette dressing. It's tart, sweet, and adds a delightful zing to the salad. You can make your own or use a store-bought version. Just ensure it's chilled and ready to drizzle over the salad before serving. Remember, the quality of your ingredients is crucial. Fresh ingredients not only taste better, but they also pack more nutrients. Now that we have all our ingredients ready, it's time to assemble the salad. Assembling the salad is easy and fun. Watch how it's done. Let's start with the foundation of our salad, the mixed greens. We're using a vibrant blend of spinach, arugula, and kale. Each of these greens brings a unique flavor and nutritional profile to our salad, creating a symphony of taste and health benefits. Gently place these greens into a large bowl. Next, we add a splash of color and sweetness with our fresh strawberries. These berries have been sliced to release their juicy sweetness and make them bite-sized. Let's scatter them across the bed of greens, giving the salad a pop of color and a hint of fruity sweetness. Now, it's time for the avocados. These have been diced into perfect bite-sized pieces. Avocados are not only delicious, but they also add a creamy texture to our salad and are packed with healthy fats. So let's sprinkle these green gems into our bowl. The salad is starting to come together, but we're not done yet. Now we're going to add some crunch. Candied pecans or walnuts, take your pick. These add a wonderful contrast to the soft textures in our salad, and their sweetness complements the other ingredients beautifully. Let's strew these crunchy delights over our salad. And now, for a touch of creaminess and tang, we're going to crumble some feta cheese over our salad. Feta cheese is not only delicious, but it also adds a wonderful creaminess and a hint of saltiness to our salad, perfectly balancing the sweetness of the strawberries and the candied nuts. At this point, our salad is looking quite spectacular. But remember, we're going to hold off on adding the dressing until just before serving. This is a little trick to keep your salad fresh and crisp. We're using a raspberry vinaigrette dressing here, but feel free to use your favorite. Now, our salad is almost ready. The final touch will be the dressing. A salad isn't complete without a delicious dressing. Let's finish our salad with a delightful raspberry vinaigrette. This vinaigrette not only adds a sweet and tangy flavor, but also supplements the salad with additional health benefits. Drizzling the raspberry vinaigrette over our salad is a simple but transformative step. It ties together the diverse flavors of our fresh ingredients, creating a harmonious blend in every bite. This salad is a powerhouse of nutrients. The mixed greens provide a bounty of vitamins, particularly vitamin K, essential for blood clotting and bone health. Strawberries are a great source of vitamin C and antioxidants, which boost the immune system. Avocados are packed with heart-healthy, monounsaturated fats and fiber. Nuts add a crunchy texture and are rich in healthy fats and protein, while the feta cheese contributes calcium for strong bones. There you have it, a quick and healthy salad that's not only delicious but also packed with nutrients. Enjoy!